All right, welcome back. So today we're going to talk about for loops and kind of navigating through for loops and not just using the default number, which is 1. So in a for loop, we'll just kind of put this together here for a second. So for x in range, let's just say we want to start at 0 and we're going to go to 10. Okay, so how this would work is it would start at 0 and it would go through the loop and it would continually, if I wanted to go ahead and we'll just go ahead and print x here for a second. Okay, so if I run this, it's going to take x and it's going to print, each of the numbers until we reach 10, and then it's going to stop. So if I run this, it's going to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 because it started at 0. So it's going to print that 0 first. If I wanted it to start with 1, obviously I would place 1 here. And if I wanted it to go to 10 and print that off, I could just type in 11 here. Okay. And so there you go. Okay, so now let's say though that we want to print all the even numbers in this set. Okay, so we could do that by just adding another aspect of this here. So you have a parameter. Sorry, forgot the word there. So this is the starting point. This is the ending point, and then this is what we're going to count by. Now, if we don't have this in here, it just automatically defaults to 1. But if we do want to put this in here, we can have it count by, let's say, 2. And so when this runs, it's going to start at 1, and then this will actually do all the odd numbers because it's going to print 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. So if we run this, there's your odd numbers, okay? Now, if I wanted to, I could count by 3 if I wanted to, and we could run that. And you get 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay, so this allows us to navigate a for loop more than just by 1. We can pick the number that we want it to do. Maybe we're doing some sort of game and we want it to count by 7 or 6 or 5 or whatever we want it to be. So this allows us to add a parameter in there that says that this for loop is going to count by a certain number, not just 1. Okay, and then obviously you have your starting point, your ending point, and then this is what you're counting by, this third parameter right here in this. Okay, all right, hopefully that helps you with your coding, and good luck.